What are we gonna do for this episode?
Alright, so, okay, I need to get you some stuff.
For a house?
I want you to do something first. I need you...
Hey, little furry buddy.
Get out here. I need you to cut down a tree.
Okay.
Or trees. There you go.
Hey, little furball. Sorry, talking to Shadow.
Oh no, it's nighttime, it's nighttime.
Yeah. Not a good plan.
Well, I didn't know it was nighttime.
Do you have any wool?
Why?
For a bed?
No. Alright, I need to block that. You little fluffy. Alright, now. I need to deal with this.
So this is...
Ay. Get out of here.
So this is your mine.
Yes, and I'm making a furnace room right now.
So... Down.
Yes, it goes down a long, long way.
Whoa-ly moly.
Oh, nuts.
What is this room gonna be?
This room I'm making?
No, this room that I'm at.
Oh, all the way down there?
Yeah.
I'm still thinking about this. That I have no clue what that room's going to be. Put a comment down below on what that room should be. Oh yeah, I need to make another pickaxe. This game is so laggy.
Mine too.
I don't understand it.
I think it's because we're both here.
No, I just think it's the game is trying to kick us off. I have no clue. Alright now. And man, I'm hearing all these zombies. But I have no clue where the hell they are.
They might be outside.
Have you ever thought of that? No, I didn't. Oh, you're so... Ugh.
What's gonna be in here?
This is gonna be my furnace room.
Oh.
Now get out!
Okay.
This is my room.
This is one hell of a visit.
Well,
Is there like nothing I can do? Just like give me a tool and let me get straight to work. I mean, seriously. Just give me something to do, for crying out loud.
how about you? I don't know. What do you want to do? Why? And why do I have this thing in my armpit?
You don't appreciate your guinea pig?
Just... So this is going to be my furnace room. And I've got a lot more furnaces to deal with. And I need to deal with this. My goodness, this game is lagging. Hardcore. Did you just take my furnace? Well, now I know what you are. You're a thief.
I was just walking by. There.
You're a thief. I've got a thief for a friend. She's What? What? now she's in pouty mode.
I'm not a thief.
Why is this game so laggy? I have no clue.
Oh, by the way, like around in the, like sometime in June, we will be doing a Hunger Games match.
Yeah, we have built a kind of like a Hunger Games thing. And just letting you know, I know where all the good stuff is, so you guys should expect me to win.
You cheater.
Do you want to die?
No.
You just trapped yourself.
It's like you just trapped yourself. I was like this. You just trapped yourself. I'm gonna crouch.
Need a door. Can you tell that guinea pig to stop squeaking? Shadow, what do you want? She wants to burn my ears. Alright. Ay.
Come here, you little fluffy.
Alright, so now I want another one of these. I need that. Come on, why is this game so laggy? And why is there so many zombies?
Because this is hard mode.
I don't want to hear them all at once. Jeezy peasy zombies.
Then turn the volume off.
At the rate of this farm, I'm going to be done. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have so much bread. Okay.
There are no seeds in there.
Well, now I need to find my hoe. Where's my hoe? My hoe? Oh man, this is... What the heck?
Did you lose your hoe?
No, I've got my hoe.
Hey, shoot!
Bless you.
I'm sorry.
Ah, where's the seeds? Get off of my farm. Off me farm. We need to start building your house. What time is it? Oh my gosh, is it turning morning or is it turning night? I have no clue.
I can check. It's turning morning. Now I can get on to chopping you down.
Whoa. Are you going literal with that?
No.
Start chopping down trees. I'm going to get some bread made.
Maybe we should turn that room into a tree farm.
Oh, that would be a good idea.
That way we'd have an underground tree farm.
That's a good idea.
And we could also have
But
a
still, I
green-
need in the comments down below them to tell me what they want. Comment down below what that place down there should be. Should it be a farm? Tell me. Comment down below.
Well, 10 logs do.
Keep chopping until that that axe is broken.
That'll take a while.
And I don't care. What am I doing? This is a chest of mineral miscellaneous. Okay, now.
So how's your Hunger Games,
I am never going to have it finished. That's how good it's doing. I haven't done a single thing on it yet.
well, mine is like a fourth
know.
finished.
Well, when you're done, we can always figure out on ours.
Yeah, well,
Figure out on mine.
ironically, it actually kind of looks like a splitting image of my room.
Oh my gosh.
It really does.
I know, right?
People don't judge when you see it. I did not have any part of the colors. It was not my choice. I had no choice in the matter. Don't blame me. Don't blame me.
Alright now.
Okay, I think that's enough for now before I get lost. HardCore.
I'm over here.
I know, I'm coming.
This is the way you should go.
Hello.
Alright,
Collect the tree saplings.
you do that. Do you think we should end the episode there?
Yeah, I think that'll do. Well, I hope we'll see you guys all later in the next video. See you guys all later. I gotta stop running into trees.
Later.
Bad time. Bye.
See you later, guys.
Adios, amigos.
I already